Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Silver Wellness Hub. I'm Sarah Mitchell, your host, coming to you from Portland, Oregon. A few years ago, my partner, David, and I were sitting on a porch swing at our cabin near Lake Tahoe, watching the sunset. His quiet smile reminded me how much the little moments matter in our relationship. Even in our 60s, those small gestures, a warm glance, a gentle touch, keep our connection alive and vibrant. Today, we're diving into a heartfelt topic: how older couples across the U.S., from bustling New York City to quiet towns like Boise, Idaho, can build safe, joyful, and meaningful intimacy. Whether you're in Miami, Chicago, or a cozy suburb in Ohio, these tips will help you deepen your emotional and physical bond. Let's start with the foundation of any great intimate moment: preparation. Hygiene, the first step to comfort. Intimacy begins with feeling fresh, confident, and comfortable. Good hygiene isn't just practical. It's a way to show respect for your partner. Start with your hands. Wash them thoroughly for at least 20 seconds with gentle soap like Dove or Cetaphil, which you can find at Walgreens, CVS, or even your local Rite Aid. Pay attention to areas we often miss, like under your nails or around your wrists. Imagine the soap lathering, washing away dirt, and leaving your hands soft and clean. It's a small ritual that sets the tone for care and connection. Next, trim your nails with Clipper. Any drugstore brand works, and they're easy to find at Target or Walmart. This simple step prevents any accidental discomfort, showing your partner you've thought about their well-being. Pause 1 second. For intimate areas, use a pH balance wash, like Summer's Eve, Good Clean Love, or Vagisil, available at most U.S. pharmacies. These products are gentle, prevent irritation, and keep both partners feeling confident. Turning hygiene into a relaxing ritual. Why not make hygiene feel special? A warm bath can be a wonderful way to unwind before an intimate moment. Add a few drops of calming scents like lavender, eucalyptus, or chamomile, which you can find at Bath & Body Works, Whole Foods, or even Amazon. If you're in a place like Denver, where spa-like vibes are part of the culture, this can feel like a mini retreat at home. David and I love taking turns setting up a bath for each other. It's a small way to say, I care about you. After bathing, gently pat dry with a soft towel to ensure no excess moisture, which can cause discomfort. Keep a clean towel or a pack of unscented wipes, like those from Costco or Kirkland, nearby to maintain tidiness during your time together. These thoughtful steps show your partner that their comfort is your priority. Creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Now that you're feeling fresh, let's set the mood. A welcoming environment can transform an ordinary moment into something extraordinary. Dim the lights or light a few candles. Try scents like vanilla, sandalwood, or cinnamon from Yankee Candle, available at Target or Bed Bath & Beyond. Play soft music to help you both relax. Maybe a jazz playlist with Ella Fitzgerald or Miles Davis on Spotify, or a soothing acoustic mix like Norah Jones. If you're in a vibrant city like Austin, or a quiet town like Asheville, these touches make your space feel like a personal sanctuary. David and I once recreated a cozy Seattle coffee shop vibe in our living room, with candles and soft music. It felt like a date night at home. Keep hand sanitizer and unscented wipes nearby for quick cleanups without interrupting the moment. These small details create a warm, inviting space where you can both feel at ease. Emotional connection, the heart of intimacy. Intimacy is about more than physical closeness. It's about feeling truly connected on an emotional level. For older couples, these emotional bonds are the foundation of every meaningful moment. Take time to share small gestures that spark joy, like holding hands, cuddling on the couch, or reminiscing about a favorite memory. David and I love recalling our first date at a diner in Chicago. The way we laughed over burnt coffee still brings us closer. Maybe for you, it's a memory of a road trip to Yellowstone, a quiet evening in San Francisco, or a sunny afternoon in Miami. These moments build trust and make every interaction more meaningful. Try this. Ask your partner, what's a memory that always makes you smile? Or share a compliment like, you make every day special. If health challenges like arthritis or fatigue make physical intimacy tricky, focus on these emotional connections. they're just as powerful. Pause 2 seconds. What's one small gesture that makes your partner feel loved? Think about it as we move forward. Addressing health challenges with care. As we age, our bodies change, and that's perfectly normal. Conditions like chronic pain, menopause, or lower libido can affect intimacy, but they don't have to stop you from connecting. If joint pain is an issue, try a gentle massage with a soothing lotion like Burt's Bees, CeraVe, or Aveeno, available at most U.S. pharmacies or even Walmart. David and I found that a warm massage before bed helps us both relax and feel closer. If changes like menopause or low energy are a concern, focus on non-physical intimacy, cuddling under a blanket, sharing stories, or even watching a favorite movie together. You can also talk to a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Clinics in cities like Boston, Phoenix, or even smaller towns like Burlington, Vermont, often have specialists in senior wellness. The key is to explore what feels comfortable and joyful for both of you, adapting to your unique needs. Communication, building trust and understanding. Open communication is the cornerstone of intimacy. Simple check-ins can make all the difference. Try asking, "How are you feeling tonight?" Or, "What would make this moment special for you?" David and I use questions like these to stay connected, especially on days when one of us feels tired or unsure. If your partner isn't ready for physical closeness, respect their pace. Maybe they love a cozy evening with a glass of Napa Valley wine, a cup of chamomile tea from Trader Joe's, or even a hot cocoa from a local cafe. In the U.S., where open dialogue is so valued, these conversations show you care deeply about your partner's comfort. Don't be afraid to share your own needs, too. Say something like, "I love when we take things slow," or "This feels really special to me." These small exchanges create a safe space for both of you. Nonverbal signals, staying in sync. Sometimes words aren't needed to communicate. Create simple signals to stay in tune during intimate moments. A gentle nod might mean "this feels good," while a light tap on the shoulder could mean "let's slow down." Pay close attention to your partner's body language. Smiles, relaxed breathing, or a gentle squeeze can show they're enjoying the moment. If you notice hesitation, pause and ask, "Are you okay?" Or, "Do you need a moment?" These small gestures ensure you're both comfortable, whether you're in a bustling city like Los Angeles or a quiet suburb in Wisconsin. David and I have found that these signals help us stay connected without breaking the flow of the moment. Pause 1 second. Building long-term intimacy habits. Intimacy isn't just about one moment. It's about building habits that keep your connection strong over time. Try setting aside regular date nights at home, like watching a classic movie, cooking a simple meal together, or even stargazing from your backyard. David and I make a point to have a coffee date every Sunday morning, even if it's just at our kitchen table in Portland. Small rituals like these keep your relationship vibrant. You can also try new activities together. Maybe a walk in a local park like those in Central Park or the Blue Ridge Mountains. These shared experiences deepen your bond and make intimacy a natural part of your life. Wrapping up, true intimacy is about trust, respect, and connection, no matter where you are, whether it's a vibrant city like Miami, a cozy town in Vermont, or a quiet suburb in Ohio. By prioritizing hygiene, creating a welcoming space, communicating openly, and adapting to your needs, you and your partner can create moments that strengthen your bond. Thanks for joining me on Silver Wellness Hub. If you found these tips helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's one way you and your partner stay connected? Maybe a special date night, a shared hobby, or a favorite memory. Let us know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more content from Silver Wellness Hub. Share this video with someone who might appreciate these tips, and we'll see you in the next episode for more ways to live well and love deeply. Stay connected and take care.